This is day 16 of coding every day until I hit 1K subs. I'm still working on the Gemini Computer Use project, and it's proving to be more challenging than I initially anticipated. Right now, the main issue is that the AI struggles to distinguish between input text boxes and regular paragraphs on a web page. This is a pretty big hurdle for accurate computer interaction. To visualize what I was hoping for. And here's the reality. It's a bit of a mismatch, as you can see. So to tackle this, I'm thinking I'll need to create a Chrome extension. This extension will hopefully help the AI correctly identify interactive elements on the page. Outside of the AI world, I've been busy with my homemade jewelry business, Orchids Jewelry. We make necklaces, hair clips, and other accessories using real orchid flowers. Today, I dedicated almost the entire day to coding the Orchids Jewelry website. The goal is to make it possible for anyone, anywhere in the world, to order our jewelry online. I am about halfway done with this website, and my top priority is to make it deploy ready, like making sure it's secure and such. I'm aiming to have it 100% finished tomorrow and ready to share with everyone. In the meantime, you should subscribe here for updates, or you can follow my Orchids Jewelry Instagram page, which is @OrchidsJewelryAUS. And now, switching gears to Leetcoode. Alright, spoiler alert. Today I tackled Leetcoode problem 2115. Find all possible recipes from given supplies. Basically, you're given a list of recipes, the ingredients for each, and a list of supplies you already have. The challenge is to figure out which recipes you can make, considering you can also use other recipes as ingredients. Here's my solution. I used a recursive helper function called _check_recipe. The key idea is to use a dictionary called can_make to keep track of what we can already make, and a visited set for cycle checking. We use a depth-first search, and if a recipe can't be made at that time, it's marked as false. This solution has a time complexity of big O of R times I, where R is the number of recipes, and I is the total number of ingredients across all recipes. Next up, I did 2089. Find target indices after sorting array. It is a pretty simple one. You're given an array of numbers and a target number. You need to sort the array, and then return a list of the indices where the target number appears. Here's how I solved it. It's quite straightforward. I sort the nums array first. Then, I iterate through the sorted array, and if an element is equal to the target, I add its index to the res list. This approach has a time complexity of O(n) log n, because of the sorting step. The iteration itself is just O(n), but sorting dominates. That wraps up another coding day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and most importantly, drop a comment below with any ideas you have for this series, things you want to see, project suggestions, anything at all. And if you'd like to help me continue making videos, you can donate at buymeaboba.com, link in description.